Welcome to the Explainer. Let's map out a rock-solid strategy to absolutely crush your Chapter 8 midterm.
You've mastered the isolated pieces, right? Now it's time to connect them all into a living system.
From raw data all the way to final decisions, this framework is exactly what you'll be tested on.
Your mission today is twofold. Analyze an existing system, and then design a brand new one from scratch.
Pillar 1 is the test. It's time to prove you can read schemas and write flawless SQL.
You'll dissect a huge Access quiz database, write queries, and explain the results in plain English.
Get this scale, you'll be dealing with exactly 16,200 student response rows. Use that massive number to sanity check yourself. If your query totals look wildly off, double-check those joins. Now for Pillar 2, the project. Time to shift gears and actually build your own grading database.
Follow the rubric like a map. You'll snag an easy 15 points just for setting up the structure.
You gotta build at least 6 tables. And please, make sure those primary and foreign keys are clearly defined. Watch out for the heavy hitters. Calculating averages and attendance percentages using SQL are 20 points each. Don't skip the practical part. You'll build a custom form and enter real data for you and another student. Here's a crucial catch. You have to calculate those query grades strictly up to the March 16th deadline. To wrap up the whole shebang, you're submitting just 2 files, your Access database and a PDF. That PDF needs the assignment questions, your raw SQL text, and screenshots of perfectly matching outputs. As you finish up, ask yourself one question. Are your queries reliable enough to drive real, impactful decisions?